Good morning, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm gonna show you the account of one of my clients. So as you can see, this is the real account. So let's see what's the history of this account says. So he deposit in this account, as you can see, the deposit is $569 and 681 is profit. So he deposit about 27th of March 2020. As you can see, guys, we trade with risk and money management. Our lot size is 0.01. So, and you can see the profit over there as well. So we increase our lot sizes on 31st of March 2020. So that's all the history of that account. So at the end we see we made about $681 profit on $569 account. So it's probably about 120% within 10 days. Yeah, you heard it right. So if you need signal account manager, or if you want to be a professional trader, the link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and you can contact me over there. All right, thank you, take care of yourself, stay safe at home. Thank you, cheers, bye.